Hello, in this video I will be talking about stalking your price target. When back in the days when I used to trade forex and I was looking at maybe about 20 or 30 over pairs at any one time, I would prefer to trade like a submariner tracks his prey. Think of submarines, and the way they silently, patiently, and methodically track a ship. I wait for price to come to me. Why? Because much like the submarine, I am in a dangerous battle. I have to know where to strike, when to strike, and most importantly, when and how to get out if something goes wrong. Now it's easy if you use longer time frame support and resistance lines, and in my case during my forex trading days I used to do a lot of weekly lines. Now this way you can check your charts every 4 hours or so, because I was trading using the 4 hourly time frame, and see if price is near a line, and if it's not, move on, no trades. I can glance and roll out charts in a matter of seconds. That fact alone keeps me out of a lot of trouble. Now for CPO, as a general rule, I like to look for areas that price reacts to over and over on a daily chart. Now you can find areas like this on a 15-minute chart, for instance, but they aren't as important. You want your trades to originate from areas that are pretty obvious. Now here's a CPO daily chart time frame. The yellow line represents areas that I would be interested in trading at. Why? See how price bounces off these areas? This shows a lot of order flow at these areas. Price reacts to them over and over, and of course it's not a sure win every time, but it does mean that you are trading with the larger order flow. It's these areas that drive the markets, and you can either swim against the current or with it, and it's your choice. And the other thing is that these areas are zones and not lines. The areas can be, maybe about 20, 30 points or even more at times. Now, other times they are much more precise. That is why it's a good idea to look for maybe price action as well for confirmation when we are at these areas. Now, of course, you may have other trading strategies like moving average, crossover, and whatever, but it's still a good idea to wait for confirmation when you are at these areas. So if my time frame of choice for trading is for instance an hourly time frame, then I have the luxury of firing up my laptop every hour or so, glancing and seeing if we are even near where I want to be. There is no need for me to to sit around in front of my computer all day long. Well, that's all I have to say on this subject. I hope you've got something useful out of this video, and if you like what you've seen, go ahead and hit on the like button below, or share this video with your friends who may find the content in this video useful, or simply hop over to letprofitsrun.com for even more good stuff. Well, that's it for now, and I will see you in the next video.